My dear students, I am Dr. Niraj Upadhyay, coordinator of this massive open online course entitled Chemistry of D Block Elements, Quantum Chemistry and Spectroscopy. Let me first introduce about the course. Entire course has been divided into two sections. First section describes general trends in properties of D block and F block elements. Section 2 covers mechanical background behind molecular characterization. I believe it will be useful for the B.Sc chemistry students as well as to the MSc students and other learners who will join this course. Thank you very much for listening me with and giving me attention up.